Hey, creative friends. Hey, I just wanted to show you I'm trying another Dollar Tree mug and just putting a little rose on it for somebody that just happens to be named Rose. But I just ran this at 80% laser power on 50 milliseconds burning time. I just used the Android app to connect to the Neje laser. And I haven't washed this off yet or anything, but I may come back and just add rows on here, and so I have two separate images prepared so that I can do them separately. Again, I don't have a rotary attachment, so I'm just making sure that it's very narrow, and so hopefully that it's not distorted too badly with the curve of the mug. But I will show you some more pictures if I can get them after I wash this off, and if I add rows on it. But just wanted to show you real quick. Thanks for watching. Okay, I'm not sure if this light's going to work or not. It's now late at night and dark in the garage, but I did come back and add the name Rose to the rose on this ceramic mug from Dollar Tree, and it's very subtle, and so it barely shows up on this mug. I was hoping it would engrave enough to where it would look white, but it's very subtle. But I kind of like it, so I'm going to leave this one just like it is. Thanks so much.